Hello. So this is these are the Norp creatures, my Norp creatures that I wanted to show you. Yesterday during the interview, all that was wrong was that I didn't have the right scene open. That was an experimental scene, and I was a little bit nerved up, so I was, not really completely focusing on what I was doing. And anyways, here's a little demo of them running around and finding food. I think I've got a better scene with a maze also, but this one I remember displays all the different neural networks that I trained. Each one of them has a unique network. And right now they're all just, this is all being run, they're all pathfinding and really deciding what to do. Not just pathfinding, but goal, deciding on their goals based on neural network outputs too. This guy's not doing too bad. Um, the reward for getting food is not as high if they're not hungry. So that's part of the reason for the behavior. They do occasionally get stuck on walls, and a couple of them are dumber than others. These two are my dumb ones. Throwaway neural networks that aren't worth crap. Um, oh, this guy, yeah, there is one that goes and eats them all like a pig. And oh, come on, oh, yeah. They kind of hesitate when they get close to each other because they don't like to bump into each other. Ooh, yeah, but see, there's some competition and stuff too. Um, Over here are just some of the elements, some of the variables that are eventually when they run out of food, they I mean, I've got ideas on how to account for that. For one, there'll be mostly plentiful food, and who doesn't go a little bit crazy when they're really hungry? Um, there's a lot of some of these are all being used, but the majority of them are. Um, and I couldn't even begin to explain. I've really got their senses really well, it's not really convoluted because it's working really well actually for the most part, but it's probably overly complicated the way that I have it set up, but that's the way I want it. Let's give it another one more whirl, and then we'll maybe see if we can find another scene. Oh, sometimes they get rather indecisive, and there's a lot of factors that are brought into account as to what the next action is, which is kind of part of it. It's actually been pretty complicated just getting them this far. All all the graphics are done in house, by the way, not by me, but by my partner. This one is called. I called this one Competition One. So I'm not sure how old this is. Could be older, an older version or of their brains or something. I went through a lot of iterations, but let's see what. Oh, yep, no reference. So not that one. Let's see what we got here. Here's the maze. Oh, I don't know how current this is either. This might have been a previous version completely. Oh, doesn't really look like he's got all of his parts. Oh, this is all. Yeah, this must be old. Well, I guess we could see what happens if I run it. Oh, and he's got his animations working. Very cool. I did not realize huh, less of these are, he's just got the NPC AI. Is he gonna turn? He doesn't have a brain. He's missing a brain. Oh, oh, guess not. Oh, no, that's right. This was the heuristic model that I used. It's not actually a neural network, just it's kind of meant to. I was building it to kind of jump in when the neural network is not behaving. Still got a lot of ideas working with. He should be his animation should have changed, but he seems to. Oh, he did change his animation again, but he doesn't seem to know where he's going. Oh, yeah, that's right. I put it where he couldn't get to it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. So he's a bit confused, but obviously an older prototype, but I had the animations fully. They're obviously not turned on the other one. Okay, well, not a whole lot more to that right now. I will stop this recording.